trying on some ready-to-wear. I'm gonna show you some of their classic handbags and show you as much as I can. So make sure you're subscribed. I do luxury fashion videos every single week. You can follow me on my Instagram for more fashion content, DV Double Vanilla. So I will see you guys inside. Really love. It's like a baby pink.
Yeah, there's a little baby pink ruthenium hardware. And you have a little bit of like that shimmer in between, which is really nice.
I assume it's black on the interior. Gorgeous. And then this one black too?
This one too.
Which one do you think is prettier? I'm leaning towards this.
This one?
What are the price points of the tweed ones?
The tweed, we're talking $4,925.
$49.25. Try this little baby on.
This one is
47. What was that again? 49. So why the difference? Just the collections? Who knows?
They never read, also we never really know.
They just decide and they're like, this is the price.
Here you go.
Oh my god, that is so cool. Wow. That is so cool. I have not seen this.
And I have like a bigger version also. Like I said, this like mid-season. Oh my god, you could even go into 40 with this.
This is really nice. And I love the sparkle.
The sparkle, it's quilting. Obviously, like this, you could take down a bit if ever we wanted to have a little bit more of that, like that
the
cinch
waist
look.
Love that. And all the little mini CCs.
Truly, this again, like truly a special piece. Consider this like I said, mid-season coat or blazer in the like more like frisky seasons.
That's
super
amazing.
fun.
It looks so good on. It's one of those pieces that looks
doesn't
much better
I
on.
know. Me too. At first, I wasn't convinced over. Then my director tried it on. Like one morning, I put it on her. I was like, I really want to see how it looks.
Oh wow.
Yeah. No, I had ordered these for a couple of my clients. It'd be super fun.
Oh wow, that
Like
is
a
so
nylon,
pretty.
like shiny, silky finish.
This is so fun.
Okay, so the sales associate was amazing. First of all, this jacket I'm showing you, buttons I love. The skirt, it's got these beautiful pearl details that spell out the CCs in pearls. I just thought this was my favorite one, and another one that's coming up, but I loved this one. I thought the fit was really nice. And yeah, the sales associate was amazing. We were just basically playing dress up, and I find it so nice to try on Chanel ready to wear because it really gives me inspiration when I'm looking at other brands, whether it's like contemporary brands or even just, you know, Zara, and then you find those really nice pieces in these more affordable brands once you've looked at, you know, the big fashion houses like Chanel. I love this cohort set over here in the purple, and you'll see in the details it's got these little CCs on the lighter mauve part. Now they had, this was in a 38, which is like a US size 6. Didn't fit me. I would need like a size 42, which is a US size 10. So tight. And the skirts, yeah, the skirts I need at least a 42, if not a 44. It's such a beautiful piece though, and I love cords. I think they're so much fun. And then there you can see on the bottom part what I meant, like the little CCs on the pockets and those gorgeous buttons. And then this is my favorite piece. So this one and the first one I showed you, I love this. I mean, I just thought it's such a nice fit. It's got more of like a moto style, but unfortunately it wasn't a size 38, so it was too small. But yeah, this, if you were to get it in your size, would be such a great piece. And now this bag I love. So I eventually want to get a Chanel red classic flap. This one was more of like a brick red versus a true red. I thought it was really beautiful with the champagne gold hardware, and I just love these medium classic flaps. This next blazer, this one's in a size 40, which is a US size 8, and you're gonna see so the length on this one I love. I think it's such a great length. I find this length really flattering, and again, trying it on with this gorgeous classic flap, I love it. This one, again, like even the 40, too small for me. I need a 42 would be my perfect size, and I would even size up to, again, a 44, because, you know, then it's just perfect. You can take it in to make it exactly your size. You always want to size up with ready to wear, especially if you're going to tailor it, and it's free at Chanel. They tailor it for free for you. And this red classic flap, I'm so in love with it. I really want to add a medium classic flap to my handbag collection. You see my black one in the background there, that's in the jumbo size. And although it's a great size, it fits a lot, there's something about this medium one. I just love it. There's nothing else I can say. I just love the medium size. Even though it fits a lot less than the jumbo, I just personally think it looks a lot better. And it's just my favorite handbag apart from the Hermes Birkins and Kellys. This gray is really pretty. Is this gold? Yes. Yeah, I love these with the gold.
The beige, eh?
This color in a bag.
I know. The bag, like, we got from the house of the big. Like, for plastic,
Yeah.
you need to have a really specific, like, you need to have a bit of pink on your skin.
Yeah.
So that's fine.
Was it very similar to that?
Yeah. But it's just like for skin color, like, it really needs to be like tattoos if you're wearing black, like
Yeah.
but it's just like you'll have a bright skin tone for it, but it
Because
doesn't.
I like camel.
Yeah.
I hear what
You
you're
need
saying.
to have like a very light. Because as soon as you're
I love these.
Here you go. Not exactly the same, but yeah, they are very similar in style. Yeah,
Thank you so much.
of course. Yes, exactly, from pre-fall.
How about the earring? Do you have the new earring?
Yes.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up my Chanel luxury shopping vlog. Again, make sure you're subscribed. It helps me out so much. You can also follow me on my Instagram for more fashion content. It's DB Double Vanilla. And of course, check out my new website, doublevanilla.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!